In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase credit card cashback redemption. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to first of all log into your Chase application and simply head over to the Benefits tab or the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. So firstly, within the application, you could head over to the Benefits and Rewards tab, simply visible within the home page, or you could also head over to More Options where the Benefits tab is available. Now, within the Benefits tab, you should be able to see the option called Ultimate Rewards. If it is straight away not visible, head over to All Benefits, and right there you should be able to see it. Now, there are majorly two ways on how you could get a payout, which is the statement credit, which applies the cashback directly to the credit card balance within 3 business days. Secondly, you could also use the direct deposit, which transfers the cash into the linked checkings or your savings account directly within the application. So select your options depending upon what you want and then enter in the exact dollar amount that you're trying to cash out. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.